So, in this video, we are going to talk about the basic concepts of motion. So, first of all, let's start with what exactly is a motion. So, a motion is nothing but it is a change in position of a body related to its surroundings. So, what is position? Position is nothing but if we have a point that we choose as the origin, then how far away and in what direction a point is from that origin will be the position of that particular point. Now, to describe the position, we use something that is called a coordinate system. A coordinate system is a system of axes x, y, and z that, when established relative to an origin, can help us to measure the position of bodies accurately. So, how exactly do we do that? For that, we choose the point as origin, we name it as 0, 0, and along the x-axis, we after 1 centimeter we will put a 1 or 1 centimeter, or maybe even 1 meter also we can do, but it is based on our choice of the unit or scale, as we call it. So that's what we do. And now the scale is arbitrary, it's our own choice. And the other thing about this person is that it can be of any dimension. Okay, can choose an x-axis, then it will be one dimensional. We can choose y-axis, it will be two dimensional. We choose a z-axis, and it will be three dimensional. And we can also hypothetically imagine 4-dimensional and 5-dimensional motion as well. However, that does not take place within our own universe, which is only 3-dimensional. Or our universe is only 3-dimensional, therefore a 4-dimensional motion is not possible within our universe. Now, we can also think of relative motion. That means, let's say that there is a point which is moving relative to an origin. Okay, now we can move, if we move along with that point, then that point will be relatively at rest with respect to us. Okay, that means two cars which are moving together, then a person in one car will see the other car to be at rest. Well, it's the background that's actually moving backwards. This is called relative motion. So this means motion is not absolute, but is rather a relative phenomenon whereby motion is relative to a coordinate frame or a coordinate system of axes, which is called a frame of reference. Now we can also talk about the two different kinds of motion. First one is the translational motion of a body. Second one is the rotational motion of a body. Translational motion means if a body is there and it is moving in a straight line, or it may even be moving in a curved line, but its orientation does not change, then it is called translational motion. But if the orientation of the body does change, that means if a ball is spinning, or if the fan is spinning, or if a book is spinning, anything is spinning, it is called a rotational motion. We can also have a mixed motion, which means of a tire. Okay, car tire will rotate as well as move forward. That is an example of mixture of rotational and translational motion. And now the path which a body takes when in motion is called the trajectory of the body. Now there are many more concepts in motion, but we will deal with them later.